Hey guys, just a quick update on the Honda. Managed to get windscreen out now. Got a new one of them delivered, Pilkington glass. Engine's out, internal gubbins out, under bonnet. I've started to scrape the old hammerite or wax oil protective covering off the bottom of the car. There's half the tunnel done. I've done half the underneath of the car as well, just starting out with the half. A bit damaged there, nothing we can't sort out. I managed to do all of the body shell now except for underneath. Get that down to bare metal and put a thin layer of primer on it. Managed to get the subframe off as well. I sandblasted half of that. Down to bare metal, it's got a bit of surface rust on it. Nothing we can't sort out. Managed to do all down there as well, just need to do that front bit. And the underneath. Just need to do that, that door shut there. Get that down to bare metal. And that's everything. Nothing's really changed inside. Except for steering columns come out. Got the handbrake off as well. There's the top of it. And wheel arches. Go around to the other side. I'll show you underneath. There we go. Painstakingly scraped this side of the car, except for that bit there. But then it'll make it a lot easier to sandblast it. Make it a lot easier. Let's get up. Done this door shut here. Down to bare metal, need to get some more primer. Need to sandblast the inside roof as well. It's starting to rust. I'm just trying to make it as perfect as I can. Take it around to the back. Got all this. Managed to source some rear lights as well. Got them from Japan. Very happy about that. Quite hard to find at the moment. There's a subframe as well. So I need to do that front bit there. On the back of it. I'll show you this side underneath. As you can see, thick wax oil or thick hammerite or whatever they used in that day. Underneath, so I need to scrape that side. But I'm getting there anyway. I'm happy about progress so far, so I managed to get it in the garage now. And that's progression so far. I managed to get a few parts sites as well, so I'm going to spend quite a lot of money on the different parts I need, which I'm not bothered about, obviously. Need to get re-chromed front and rear bumpers. Need to recondition all the parts that are going back into the car. I'm hoping to get a full nut and bolt restoration. So I'm doing absolutely everything. I'm going to take the engine apart. I'm going to recondition the engine. Make sure it's absolutely spotless. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.